Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario World on Nintendo Switch. To begin, you will need an active Nintendo Switch Online membership. This subscription grants you access to a library of classic games, including Super Mario World, through dedicated applications. Once subscribed, you can download the Super Nintendo Entertainment System application directly from the eShop. This simple process will set you up to enjoy one of the most beloved retro titles on your modern console. To get started, you will need to acquire a Nintendo Switch Online membership. You can easily purchase this directly from the Nintendo eShop on your console or through the official Nintendo website. Individual memberships offer flexible durations, available for 1 month, 3 months, or a full 12 months. Alternatively, a family membership can cover up to 8 different Nintendo accounts, providing great value for multiple users. With your Nintendo Switch Online membership active, the next step is to download the necessary application. From your Switch Home menu, simply navigate to the Nintendo eShop. Once there, use the search function to find the Super Nintendo Entertainment System Nintendo Switch Online application. This application is free to download and install, and it serves as your gateway to a fantastic collection of classic games. Once the Super Nintendo Entertainment System application is installed, you are ready to play. Simply open the application from your Nintendo Switch Home menu. Inside, you will find a curated library of classic SNES titles. Locate and select Super Mario World from this list. With just a few clicks, you will be transported back to the Mushroom Kingdom, ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure with Mario and Luigi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.